Let us continue. And we are ready for question 3. We're asking to find how many grams of iron, and we're given information about potassium dichromate. So we have 1029 grams of K2Cr2O7, the molar mass of that. Is 294.18. The mole ratio of potassium chromate to iron is 1 mole of potassium chromate, dichromate, I stand corrected, to 2 moles of iron. And then we're going to change to grams, 55.85 grams in 1 mole. And the answer is 391 grams of iron. Question B. How many grams of dichromate, potassium dichromate, will you need if you make 52 grams of iron chloride? So now we're going to start with iron chloride and solve for dichromate. So 52.0 grams of iron 3 chloride. Iron 3 chloride's molar mass is 162.20 grams in 1 mole. The molar mass of iron 3 chloride to potassium chromate is 2 moles to 1. And the molar mass of potassium dichromate is 294.18 grams in 1 mole, giving us 47.2 grams of potassium dichromate. Letter C. This time, how many moles of potassium chloride would you make from 95 grams of iron? So we're doing iron to potassium chloride. We start with 95 grams of iron. Molar mass is 55.85 grams in 1 mole. The ratio is 2 to 2, 2 moles of Fe to 2 moles of KCl. And we're going to stop there because that's all it wants. And that would be 1.70 moles of KCl. That would be fair. Letter D. How many grams of chromium 3 chloride could be made from 23 milliliters of 3 molar hydrochloric acid? So we're starting with the hydrochloric acid. 0.0230 liters multiplied by 3.0 moles per liter of HCl. Our mole ratio, we're going from 14 to 2. 14 moles of HCl to 2 moles of chromium 3 chloride, and then we need to change it back to grams. I'm going to have to calculate it because I don't have it pre-calculated. that didn't work. Let's try it again. .56 grams of CrCl3. Finally, it says how many moles of iron would you need to completely react with a half of a 50 milliliters, 0.050 liters of 3 molar hydrochloric acid. So 0.050 liters times 3.0 moles in 1 liter. And hydrochloric acid is 14, and we're solving for iron, which is 2. So our ratio is 14 moles of hydrochloric acid to 2 moles of iron. And it says moles, so we're going to stop there. So we'll have 0.0214 moles of iron. And there you go.